So as they say in Hollywood, turn 'em over.
All right.
Cut that out. Cut that out. What are you doing? That ain't the way to play ball.
All right. Ho.
What are you doing? Cut that out. Get out of here. I'll push you in the foot.
They watch the picture closely so that every word, clatter, and whoop is timed to perfection. It has the precision of an orchestra concert, for it's the last act and the biggest act in the making of an animated cartoon. The music has been put on the picture, but there still remain the sound effects, baseball sound effects. They're rehearsing them now, just practicing before putting the sound on film. And then there are the voices for the dialogue.
That ain't the way to play ball. Cut that out. I'll push you in the mush. That ain't the way to play ball. Cut that out.
The final job is in the recording room with the grand ensemble. The picture is run with the music, sound effects, and dialogue all played and recorded on the soundtrack.